The only con I see if you want to perform this for walk around. Hello everyone, in this video we will be taking a look at Ghost Deck presented by Murphy's Magic. Now let's see what do you get with the Ghost Deck. It comes in this hard shell box. The link to the tutorial video is printed on the inside of the lid. You then see the Ghost Deck tuck box. Inside, you get a mixture of different card backs of various colors and designs. It is basically a blank rainbow deck, which plays a part in the final kicker ending. You also get a small number of printed cards, including the 4 aces. However, do note that these are not standard bicycle faces. Now, before you take this out to perform, you might want to replace the tuck box with a regular bicycle box or any other regular playing card tuck box. This is so your audience doesn't Google the name of the product during your performance. From the trailer and description, the main effect you can do is the Gemini Twins effect, but with additional kickers. The Gemini Twins effect is one of my favorite and go-to effects to do with a regular deck of playing cards. So naturally, I was quite excited for this release. You show a deck of cards, each with different back designs. You remove 2 prediction cards and have your audience volunteer deal down the rest of the deck and stop wherever they want. You then mark the area that they stop with one of your predictions. You repeat this again. You then reveal that the cards that they stopped at are the mates of your prediction. You turn the cards over and show that they have the exact same back design as well. You then flip the rest of the deck over and show that they are all blank. The tutorial is taught by Javier from Murphy's Magic and runs about 1 hour and 20 minutes. The main routine here is the Gemini Twins routine. But this is not the only routine that is taught. You get several self-working effects that can be performed with the Ghost Deck that require almost no sleight of hand. Each effect is structured clearly. You will see a performance for each effect, followed by clear step-by-step instructions. There is also a section at the end about the Magician's Choice. The Ghost Deck is very easy to perform. It is mostly self-working effects and are suitable for beginners, but also good enough for the more experienced magician. The effects taught can also be transferred and performed with a regular deck of playing cards. But of course, the different colored backs and the kicker ending does add to the effect. Quality-wise, some have mentioned that they are not printed on bicycle stock. However, they feel fine to me. They do feel quite durable. You are most likely just to use this deck for one effect during your show. And since you won't be using this for very heavy sleight of hand, in my opinion, the card stock is not an issue. The setup for these effects are minimal, and it is also very quick to reset. Angles are not an issue, as the audience members should be looking down at your performance. At the end of your routine, the remaining cards can be examined. You will need some sort of table or surface to spread the cards and deal the cards. This is suitable for a casual performance or even formal close-up shows where you have a table. The Ghost Deck is very easy to perform. It is also very intriguing to your audience when they see so many different card backs. It is excellent for learning self-working card magic, and the routines can also be transferable to a regular deck of cards, just minus the kicker. The blank deck kicker is also very surprising and impactful. This is priced very affordably at $15 US. The only con I see if you want to perform this for walk around, you need to bring along this deck for just one effect. And you also need a table surface to deal the cards. Another thing you need to be aware of is that the final matching cards will always be the same. If you like Gemini Twins or stolen cards or any of these kind of variation of card tricks, and you want an affordable deck that enhances the visual impact, this will likely appeal to you. You won't be disappointed with the Ghost Deck. The Ghost Deck is available from your favorite Murphy's Magic dealer. That's all I have to say for this quick and straightforward review of the Ghost Deck by Murphy's Magic. Thank you for watching. Here are some other reviews for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I will see you in the next video.